I will show you now the 3 points or K-turn, okay? From this position, we're gonna do the 3 points or K-turn, okay? Let's go. All right? For the 3 points or K-turn, what we have to do is we have to put the blinker to the left, and we're gonna turn the wheel all the way left. Then, with our mirrors, we gotta scan. Make sure there's no vehicles in the, coming in this way. And also you have to turn and you gotta look over your left shoulder. Make sure there's no vehicles over here and you can be safe to go, all right? And we're gonna be in that position straight, all right? Okay, and we're going to stop right there, okay? When we are straight, stop the car, and then we're gonna turn all the way to the right, the wheel, all the way to the right, and we're gonna go reverse for like 3 seconds, all right? Counting 1, 2, and 3. That will be the second point, and we're gonna go all the way left, and then we're gonna take over, all right? And we're gonna complete our 3 points of K-turn, okay? Stop sign, and we can go to the road.